Welcome to a Cozy Day in My Life vlog. Welcome back to my channel. As y'all can see, it is a very cozy home vlog. Okay, so comfortable, so cozy. I know y'all looking at some pieces like, wait a minute, I have not seen that piece yet, and just give it a minute. I actually have a piece, a video for every piece that you guys saw, and you have not seen a video for it, so those videos are to come. Y'all know what I love more than a cozy home? Baby, a cozy pair of shoes, okay? And I want to thank Cozy Island for sending over 3 pair of amazing, cozy, comfortable, y'all, shoes. So, honey, not only are they comfortable and cozy, but y'all, they are stylish, okay? I have 3 pair here, all of the same texture. And I'm also going to show you guys me wearing them off to the side so that you guys can see what they look like on my foot, okay? You guys, it's so cute. They sent a cute little thank you card, and I love that. They actually come really nice packaged, so I thought that that was pretty nice as well. These are so comfortable, and as you guys can see, they come very nicely packaged. You don't have to worry about your shoes being damaged. Y'all, okay, I know these are adorable. So y'all know this print is really in, has been in like all of 2024, and I do believe the trend will continue in 2025. But y'all, look at that material. Isn't that gorgeous? And so you guys, it's like this yarn material, but it's very breathable. It's very nice. I'll be sure to show you guys off to the side the exact shoe and price point. I do believe these retail for $99, but y'all, they are so comfortable, okay? You guys, they have an insole, and can you see that? Can you see how comfortable that is? Now, I know we all love a good heel, okay? We love a good heel, but we don't always want our feet to pay the price, okay? So, honey, look at this cute little kitten heel, but it's still really sexy and stylish. So I feel like any woman can put these into her wardrobe, and she is going to love them. Now, you guys know that you must have a black pair of shoes, okay? And y'all know mules are really in like right now, and I've always loved a good mule, honey. And when you are a woman of a particular age, you appreciate that, okay? And not only do we appreciate the mule, but we appreciate the kitten heel, okay? And whether if you are wearing these to work, or you can also wear these to happy hour, brunch, date night with your boo thing. Like, it does not, baby, you can wear these to church. Okay, these are some cute church shoes, are they not, you guys? And like, look at that heel. They are just so nice. And let me take this off here because it does, I do believe, feature, yes, a gold buckle. How cute is that shoe? Y'all see that? Like the craftsmanship, and then it also have a rubber bottom. Now y'all know that it's important. Have you ever been trying to walk and you know you have on your heels and they're slippery on the bottom? Baby, we don't need that. We are not trying to slip and slide, okay? So having a rubber bottom to me is very important. And then when you like add on insoles, cushioned insoles, baby, it's a win-win for me, okay? Now you guys, your wardrobe is not complete to me without a black pair of shoes and also like a really nice nude, like apricot color, I guess if you will. Y'all, look at these. Oh my God, I love when shoes and handbags feature gold details. So let me give you guys a little bit more info on Cosy Island, okay? When I went over to their website, y'all, it was hard for me to select a shoe, okay? They had so many amazing shoes, but I wanted a shoe that was like multi-purpose and I could wear it all season. So they have sandals, they have boots, they have mules, they have all types of shoes. And the best part about it is not only are they stylish, but they are comfortable. I can appreciate that, okay? So y'all, look at these. Oh, and y'all, there is nothing sexier than a nice pointy-toed heel, honey, with like some nice trouser pants or like a really pretty flirty dress. Chef's kiss. Absolutely love it. I cannot wait to get some real wear out of these. I have not worn them yet, y'all. It has been cold and snowy here in St. Louis, so I have not worn these yet, but baby, time I get a chance, I'm putting a pair of these on because I really want to see what they feel like when I wear them outside and everything. So look at that texture. It is like even like stretchy a little bit. You just cannot beat that. So again, thank you Cosy Island for sending these over to me. I appreciate it, honey, and I cannot wait to style these with my wardrobe. Okay, you guys, that is going to be the end of this cozy home vlog. I really hope that you guys enjoyed the aesthetics of our apartment. I know you all saw a ton of home decor that you have not seen yet, but all of the videos coming in February will be of the home decor that I kind of gave you guys a little sneak peek of. So I hope that you guys are going to enjoy those. And again, a huge thank you to Cosy Island for sending those shoes over to me. I absolutely love them, y'all. And again, if you are looking for some shoes that are comfortable and stylish, then head on over to Cosy Island, you guys, and pick you up a pair. Be sure to use my discount code 10 to get you 10% off. And yeah, y'all, I'm just about to continue to relaxing. Boo the Builder is on her way home from a business trip. I'm about to cook, make some pork steaks, corn on the cob, and some baked potatoes, y'all, and just continue to enjoy my day and have a really cozy day at home. So I just wanted to take you guys along and just give you a little sneak peek on some of the things that I do, you know, to enjoy my day and to enjoy my morning, and also to like just manifest different things into my life. You guys saw that I have 2 journals. I have a gratitude journal and a 5-minute journal. I find journaling really good to do. So maybe that's something that you want to add to your 2025 routine as well, because I find it very relaxing to journal every single day, y'all. But that is going to be the end of this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this cozy day in my life. And until next time in February, I will see you guys in all of the home decor videos to come. I love you guys. I'll see y'all later. Bye.